This is the most important chart in the entire crypto market and potentially the market in general. My name is Hamilton. I'm here with the Trading Initiative. Let's talk about the ramifications behind the total crypto market cap breaking out into all-time highs. Yes, once again, this is the most important chart in the entire market right now for a multitude of reasons. First off, from a pure risk standpoint, if you're thinking about risk on versus risk off mentality in the TradFi market, the crypto market, there's no better way to quantify that than by just purely looking at the amount of money flowing into the crypto market, right? If you think about it on a risk hierarchy, there's going to be less risky opportunities and more risky opportunities. And generally speaking, the crypto market is going to be closer to the higher risk opportunities than the lower risk. So when we see liquidity flowing into this particular space, you have to assume that risk is coming back into the market, both in the TradFi space and the crypto space. And that's exactly what we're seeing right now in both the TradFi space and the crypto space. Assets are zooming up after the election, after the interest rate cut decisions have started to come in. We're seeing more liquidity enter the market, and we're seeing these higher beta, riskier assets outperform. The crypto market in particular, Bitcoin's already broken out into all-time highs. We have a couple altcoins that we're looking at that are absolutely outperforming, some of them into all-time highs, but a majority of the bigger name coins, Ethereum, SALANA, BNB, things like this, even Ripple, they've started to move. They're not yet at all-time highs, but they are giving us clear indication that they want to continue to rip higher. And we think it all starts with this particular chart, the total crypto market cap. We think a move above 3 trillion, which we're at today, this is officially an all-time high for the total crypto market cap, is a signal to get long with size the crypto market. So I want to extrapolate on this really quick. If the crypto market breaks out above 3 trillion, which it does look like it wants to do, we're technically already there, but we're going to wait for an official close to really call that. Is it out of this world to assume that we could be up at a $4 or $4.5 trillion market cap within a reasonable amount of time? No, I don't think it's really an if, but more a when. If you think about the idea of these crypto cycles breaking out and you're a fan of technical analysis and you understand kind of the math behind these Fibonacci extensions, a $4 to $4.5 trillion market cap is totally within reason. I mean, if you just want to think about it from a pure logic standpoint, we just went through the largest amount of money being printed in the history of the world during the COVID lockdowns. Of course, that's going to eventually have to enter the market, and I think we're starting to see it in the crypto market right now. So I don't think a $4 to a $4.5 trillion market cap is out of this world. And I'm going to go ahead and ask you, take a step back, what do you think happens to crypto asset prices if the total crypto market cap is up at 4 to 4.5 trillion? And I'm going to take even a bigger stab up there. What happens if we're sitting closer to 6 trillion or 6.5 trillion by the end of this secular breakout? That's the next portion of this. I don't believe, and if you've been trading the crypto market or you have any experience in the TradFi market, these secular breakouts do not just manifest themselves over the course of a couple days or a couple weeks. These tend to be bigger moves. I'm talking months, quarters, potentially even years. It's not to say they're just going to go straight parabolic, but very rarely do we see them fizzle out and then fall right back underneath a range that we've been sitting in for the last 2+ years. Generally, these secular breakouts manifest over a long time period. So once again, what does the total crypto ecosystem look like with a $4.5 trillion market cap or potentially a $6 to $6.5 trillion market cap? We think that the crypto market continues to run like crazy. Bitcoin obviously already running. We added new positions above 70,000. Our original position that we opened up last year in October of 2023 is still on the books. So we've added into this winter. We're seeing consolidation up here at the 90K range. We talked about this yesterday in the video that we posted. Yeah, everybody's freaking out. The TradFi market had a really bad week last week, but for whatever reason, the crypto market didn't. It held up on a relative basis and an absolute basis. And for us, that was indicative of this risk on mentality, right? We weren't ready to throw the towel in on the TradFi market, which by the way is having a great day today. And the crypto market is now breaking out to all-time highs. We think it's all connected, which I think you should probably think of it that way as well. They're all correlated. It all comes down to liquidity and where is it moving into the market. Right now, it's moving into the crypto market. So is it out of the realm of expectation that we're going to have a $100,000 Bitcoin price by potentially the end of the week? No, I don't think so. It might take 2 weeks, 3 weeks, but I think it's not really an if, but a when. It's going to be $100,000 at some point. Basic math kind of dictates that if you, once again, like these Fibonacci extensions. But let's move the goalpost out a little bit further. We might find some hard resistance at the 100 to 105. price range because obviously it's a nice big round psychological number and we expect people to take some profits there. But I'm going to be looking to effectively add into my position above 100,000 and then move my stop loss somewhere underneath 100,000 and use that as the next pivot point up towards the 150 to 160 price target. So along with that total crypto market cap, right? Thinking about it from a 3 trillion to a 4.5 and then from potentially a 4.5 to a 6.5 trillion dollar market cap. What do we think could happen to the price of Bitcoin? It's not out of the realm of ordinary. This absolutely can happen. And if you look back at previous cycles, it has happened multiple times. So once again, it is doable. If you're already in a position in Bitcoin, I'd be looking to potentially add more exposure at key levels. And if you're not, you're sitting on the sidelines, wait for some sort of consolidation at a nice big round number and try to add in or start a new position there. It's not just Bitcoin though, right? Bitcoin is obviously the big one here. Particularly right now because it's at all-time highs, but there's a bunch of different stuff that's really starting to set up and a lot of it that's already run. You can look at Dogecoin. I know it's a meme, but think about this. We've been long Dogecoin for a little bit now. We're up near all-time highs. If we delete that previous drawing, that was a stage 1 into a potential stage 2. What happens if this breaks above 45 cents or 50 cents into all-time highs? This is just a massive base. Is this something you're going to want to not participate in? If you don't have exposure in, I think maybe right here is probably an okay place to say I don't want it yet. But if it continues to push and we build a base up into those all-time highs, there's an opportunity to add up there. This is not bearish. As the total crypto market cap breaks out, we're going to see some of these meme coins, if you will, these altcoins really start to run. Think about what's going on with Ripple right now. There's going to be a lot of opinions on Ripple because it has such a pragmatic history, right? You either love it or you hate it. You're a bag holder since 2017, whatever you are. Just listed off Coinbase, this is an IPO range breakout high. If you're in the TradFi market, if you're inside TTI, we would be long this above 85, 90 cents. It's currently trading $1.15. If we look at a different exchange, so we get a little bit more price history back there, you can look at it. We haven't been up here for 3 years. Going on 3 years, finally XRP is starting to pump. And this is not just Dogecoin and Ripple. Solana is sitting up near all-time highs, right? The total crypto market cap breaking out is big for the entire ecosystem. Now, we like this trade on Solana. We've liked this trade on Solana all summer. We opened this trade back up in late October of 2023 as well, and we still have a portion of it on. We're looking to actively add into the Solana trade. Why would you not? This is amazing. Above 260, there's an opportunity for a secular breakout up towards the $415 range. Why would you not take a stab at this if the total crypto market cap is also breaking out? How about Cardano? I can't believe I'm saying this. If you traded back in 2016, 2017, 2018, Cardano is looking like it wants to break out into a potential stage 2. A prolonged horizontal channel. You're starting to get the uptick on that 200-day moving average. You're in the beginnings of a potential bullish momentum regime. Once again, this all just comes down to liquidity, liquidity, liquidity. If liquidity is entering the market, these types of risk assets are probably going to get a piece of it. Now, I do want to point out that meme stocks or meme coins, if you will, are going to run or at least have an opportunity to outperform everything. So if you have boots on the ground and you know what you're looking at and you like the trenches, you're going to have an opportunity to make an incredible amount of money. If you're more comfortable trading, some of the coins on Coinbase and stuff like that, there's still going to be an incredible amount of opportunity. And we can actually chart that stuff with price history, which is what you see here with Cardano. And it's not just these. We're looking at these every single day. As a matter of fact, on Fridays, we go live on YouTube every Friday and we talk through some of the setups that we like as a group, and it's completely free. You can listen to us, kind of what we're thinking about the crypto market, what we're looking to trade. But once again, I want to point out, guys, with the total crypto market cap breaking out to all-time highs today, if this sticks, all I'm going to say as somebody that's traded multiple cycles, right? Multiple cycles of this crypto secular breakout going back to 2016, when things start to move quickly. So if you're interested in this crypto stuff, I highly encourage you to build out a watch list now, start getting involved now, because when this does eventually break out, it's going to feel like you're going to miss out. Now, the thing is you're probably not. This is going to be an extended run. We just talked about that, but most people, they think if they're not in there at ground zero, they're going to miss everything. So get your watch list ready, get prepared, wait for the headlines to come out. I guarantee you that if this total crypto market cap closes above 3 trillion and starts to run, there's going to be FOMO in the markets. And if you'd like to take the trades with us, we do post these, right? We take crypto trades just along with TradFi trades. You don't have to take the TradFi trades if you don't want to. You don't have to take the crypto trades if you don't want to. But we post them in a really easily readable format, right? They go out to your email. They go out to your smartphone. If you have a smartphone, you can download the application. It gives you the setup. It gives you all the pertinent technical information, our risk levels, our entry stops, our take profits, and then some commentary on it. What's the setup? Why do we like it? How are we going to play this? How are we going to move our stop losses, etc.? This is all available to you. If you like this stuff, feel free to check out our market research. It's linked in the description below. My name is Hamilton. I'm here at the Trading Initiative. The last thing I want to say is you got to be bold up the market in general, not just crypto, if you like this particular total crypto market cap chart. This is indicative of a broader move to the upside in risk assets, not just crypto, but for everything. I'll catch you in the next video.